Why is it that everyone's algorithm is constantly flooded with gender war discourse like 24/7? I think a lot of it is due to the fact that some people are resentful because they went through a bad relationship or they've had bad experiences with the other gender. So then they blame everyone on the other side for what they've been through. But I think a lot of it isn't due to just that. It's due to the fact that men and women are designed to not get along completely with each other all the time. And I think it's evolutionarily built in to what it means to be a human. And you'd say, well, why? That doesn't make any sense. Why would nature do that? The reason is I think it keeps us on our toes, right? If you have a constant amount of like slight conflict with the other gender, when you need to be cooperating, you're gonna be, it's like practice for real world bigger conflict. And I think, this is just a natural part of what it means to be, in a relationship or interacting with, other people. But the problem is the internet gives everyone a microphone, right? And it allows you to take the slightest annoyances or, the slightest problems you have with life and then blowing it way out of proportion. And, this is, women are annoyed by some habits men have, and men are annoyed by some habits women have. But what the internet allows you to do is take some people who are just like really resentful and, hateful, and it gives them a microphone to just spew this everywhere. And, if one person sees someone saying this, it's more likely that other people are going to like join in. And then what do you have? You have an echo chamber that reinforces a really, really negative view of an entire other group of people. And I mean, the problem is our population is collapsing. You could say, oh, no, it's not. Well, I thought it was going up. No, it's collapsing. And you could say, oh, that's fine. Who cares? The reality is the only reason our economy is as good as it is right now is because we have a lot of, workers, smart people pushing things forward. And if we don't start having kids, the relative standards of living we have now are probably going to go away in our lifetimes. So let's just learn to get along with each other so we don't die